Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add your Revolut card on Samsung Pay. So you do not need to carry those bulky bags, purses and wallets anymore, because you can carry up to 10 wallets inside your Samsung Pay. So that is amazing, right? And the steps really simple. So what we're going to do is simply head over to this option in your Samsung Pay, and there you have this option to add a payment card. So once you click onto that, if this is your first time adding a card, your phone may ask you to grant permissions and use the camera so it can scan your card to add the numbers automatically. You can grant permissions and then line your card up in the visual window. If your preference, if you prefer, you can simply add card manually as well. So this is the easiest way to do it. I hope this is helping you guys out. If it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.